Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to mint Morion in Night Crows. First, ensure your game account is properly linked to a compatible blockchain wallet. This connection is crucial for managing your digital assets. Next, you'll need to gather specific in-game resources. These resources are essential components for the minting recipe, so make sure you have enough before proceeding to the next step. This easy method will guide you through the entire process smoothly. To prepare for minting, you'll need specific materials. Start by accumulating at least 100,000 gold in your game account. This is a primary currency for many in-game transactions. Additionally, gather 500 Morion ore, which can be found through various gameplay activities like hunting or quests. Finally, ensure you have 10 Morion essences, which are often crafted or obtained from special events. Having these ready makes the process quick. Once your resources are ready, head to the designated minting station or non-player character within Night Crows. Here, you will find the option to mint various tokens. Select the Morion token from the list. Carefully review all the transaction details presented, including the resource cost. After confirming everything looks correct, approve the transaction through your linked blockchain wallet. This action finalizes the minting. After successfully minting, it's important to verify your new Morion. First, check your in-game inventory to see the newly added tokens. Then, open your linked blockchain wallet and confirm that the Morion balance has been updated. This ensures the transaction was successful on the blockchain. Your minted Morion can now be used for various in-game purposes or potentially traded on supported platforms. Enjoy your new assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.